And now that the sun is up, we have even better view from Puerto Rico. That's San Juan, more specifically, the capital city of Puerto Rico. This is how it looks on this side. It seems a bit more industrial. There is even one island that looks like a resort. Lots of green actually. And on the other side we are going to see now the city, but slightly harder to view it. Gesundheit. Because of the sun. Oh, look at that fort. It's amazing. So beautiful. So beautiful. Amazing. Yeah. That's really nice. It's going to be a great day in San Juan, Puerto Rico. So, yeah, and beautiful sunrise indeed. Hello from San Juan, Puerto Rico. It is exactly 8 a.m. and 1 hour until we can go off the ship, but we are here anyway, so I think we might be on land earlier. Uh, this is how it looks like. It's in San Juan. We are now at the port that's quite close to the center of the city. Lots of ships here, as well as two cruise ships, of which one was Norwegian Epic and the other one is Sky Princess. I'm not really sure from which line is that. And yes, I'm on a Norwegian Breakaway ship, Norwegian Cruise Line, and today is day 7 of the cruise journey in the Caribbean. And for today's stop, we are stopping at San Juan, as I mentioned earlier. And it is 8th of January 2025. Earlier you have seen the sunrise here in San Juan, and despite the forecast says rain, I think we might be able to see some sun today, hopefully, for some nice pictures on the beach. We will be on land only for 5 hours. This is the shortest stop that we have on the itinerary. On the other side there is an industrial area. Let's see how it looks like right now, while you take a view of the water slides here on the cruise ship. And the children's pool right here, and the adult swimming pool on the other side. I'm not really sure where exactly are we going to dock. But here we can see some industrial area and residential buildings in the distance. Oh, there's an airplane lifting off right now, smaller one. Is this the international airport? It looks very small. I think it's only for smaller planes. Yeah, it might be. Yes, this is the other airport, is a bit further from the port. So yeah, time to explore San Juan, Puerto Rico, the US territory. This is the center of the city on this side. Actually, we have passed the center of the city in that direction, but here we are very close to Playa or Balneario El Escambron. It's right there after these buildings, which is where I'm going to, obviously. All right, so then it's time to get prepared. I need to pack my swim shorts and bathing suits to be ready for the departure, as we will be taking the shuttle bus to the old town, actually, as we're not allowed to walk from the port. So yeah, welcome to San Juan, Puerto Rico, United States of America, US territory, that is. And let's explore San Juan. Woohoo!